Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see one of the other important skill which industry is starving from the mechanical engineers, that is fixture design. Let me show you one sample fixture design. Can you all guess what is this particular part? This is a fixture. Imagine I am just loading and unloading. Can you all guess why this particular shape is not round shape? Why this is a V block? All this we have been explaining in our fixture design course, where you can learn. Again, very important challenge what industry professional or college outgoing students are facing is they all well versed with all 3D modeling software, but they don't know how to do the fixture design. It could be fixture can be the mother for any automation, whether it could be a industry 4.0, whether it is if you want to do SPM, special purpose machine building. Very important thing is the fixture design is a very plays the major role, but the missing link is nobody knows how to do the fixture design. We took a steps to move forward from industry experts, and we introduced some new concepts called CLRO. If you know CLRO, then the entire fixture design is been done. We have two courses in fixture design line. One is manual clamping fixture, other one is hydraulic clamping fixture. And we have a special scheme is running for the students and working professional to get benefited. You can use any 3D modeling software, but you can learn with a lot of industry components, on-hand experience, how the fixture design can be done for machining center, and the same way you can do it for hydraulic clamping for various components, starting with the simple single component to multiple component manufacturing. The good part is the fundamentals of fixture design course has been evaluated by AICTE. We welcome students and working professional to undergo our fixture design courses on manual clamping and hydraulic clamping to add value from the industry day one.